Hi family, it's another styling video and in this I'm doing African threading. I'll be using a sewing thread, scissors, wide tooth comb and two rattle combs. My hair was washed the previous day, moisture soaked in with my DIY whipped shea butter and stretched with 2-strand twists. This style was the next day and I did not have to re-moisturize before threading, but if you must, please do so. Parting the hair could cause breakage if the hair is not well stretched or detangled. So to reduce the breakage and pain, I mostly start parting with my fingers or a wide tooth comb, and then I follow that by using the plastic end rattle comb, and then I finally clean the part with the metallic rattle comb. I do this just to reduce breakage and pain while trying to achieve a clean part as well. Whatever tool works to make your parts clean, you can go with it. When it comes to the threading, I cut the length of thread I'll be needing for the session. I double it and tie the end. I have a couple of videos on how to African thread. I'll put links in the description to the videos for your convenience. If you are new here, welcome to Rosie Natural. My name is Rose, and on this channel, I share my natural hair journey. It includes hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. If you are interested in this kind of content, please subscribe and click on the notification bell beside it so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks to all my lovely subscribers for the support. Your comments, likes and shares keep the channel going. I appreciate you all so much. Please keep watching. I hope this video inspires you to try something new. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.